guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon Miss Shayelle, and in today's video I am back with another headband wig tutorial, and this time it is featuring Nia Wigs. I worked with them a bunch of times, as you guys know. So yes, back with another headband wig. I'm super excited to show you guys this one. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get into it. I'm excited because this one is going to be a curly unit. Last time I did show you guys that nice body wave unit, but this time we're going to get into some curly hair. So of course, as usual, this is their packaging. Really cute, the black and gold. And I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. And what's included is, of course, some headbands. So if you guys didn't know, with the headband wig, it's super easy and convenient to throw on. The headband is already attached to the wig. You just put it on, and then you can always put different little headbands on over it. So super easy and convenient to wear. So this is the hair right here. It comes packaged, and this is their 18 inches natural black. So this is the hair fresh out. I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off so you can really see the texture. Really like pretty curls, bouncy kind of a look. So I know this hair is going to look really, really gorgeous. And this is the headband that's already on it, and then there's clips inside to help secure it onto your head. Now for my hair, you can do no leave out, or if you want a little bit of leave out, just a little bit of your hair and baby hairs, you can do like I do and just leave a little bit out. Or if you want no hair out completely, you can leave no hair out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right on. Making sure the combs are attached. So it's like 3 combs in here, 3 around the perimeter and then 1 in the back to really help secure your hair. And it does have an adjustable strap as well if you need it tighter. I'm gonna go ahead and secure that headband in the back. It is a Velcro, so it just snaps. And this is the hair straight on. Super defined, but of course I like to fluff out my hair and just get it really big. What I love about headband wigs is you can do half up, half down styles, pineapples. You can really just do a lot with this hair. It doesn't have to stay in one specific hairstyle. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys a few of the different headbands, but I am gonna go ahead and wet this hair. I can tell it's so pretty. I'm gonna get my spray bottle real quick, but this is it fresh out the package. You guys saw how easy it was for me to just put this on, so very natural. Okay, so I grabbed my spray bottle and I'm just gonna go ahead and start wetting this hair some so you guys can really see what it looks like wet, because of course you are seeing what it looks like dry. And the hair has a lot of nice movement to it. No stiff wig over here, and of course it is human hair. Okay, so it's wet for the most part. I am gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of mousse at the top because I like it to be a little flat a little bit. Okay, so I'll just grab my mousse. This is one of my favorite ones to use. This is the Taylor Beauty Flexible Curl Potion Mousse, and I usually just put it like right on the top of my head, so I'll just do like 2 pumps or so, and just apply some at the top. You can of course rake it through the whole head, but to each his own. But I just kind of like to fluff it out because I don't want it too flat. If I put it throughout the whole head, it's gonna get that really, really defined look, and I kind of want my hair, you know, just a bit bigger and more volume and everything like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this hair looks like with the different headbands on it as well. But this is super cute. Okay, so there is a white and black polka dot one. There is this like burgundy with tan polka dot, this black and white polka dot, and this green and tan polka dot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. Okay, so this is the first one. Really, really cute. The more I play with this hair and the bigger I get it, the more cute it's becoming. So really, really, really cute. This would be even cute if I like cut some layers in the hair so it could just have like that layered effect, because right now it just kind of falls flat. But I could definitely put some layers in this and it would be really, really cute. But this is the first headband. I really like it. This is the black and white polka dot one. I'm already messing up my baby hairs and changing the headbands, but this is the black and white one. And like I said, you guys can do different looks. You can put this half up, half down if you want. Always take like half of it just to give you guys an idea. You can always do like a half up, half down kind of look if you want to, or you could do like high puffs, you know, it really doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want. You can flip it over and have it like this, you know. I'm gonna try on the next headband. Okay, this is like the burgundy one. Super cute. And then the last one is the white one. Okay, and then this is the white one. So really, really cute. Love it. I will have all the details on this hair in the description box below, plus a discount code. You guys can use my code yalon15 to save $15 off of your purchase. So definitely check out Nia Wigs. Check out the description box below because they have a huge variety of different headband wigs. So if this isn't a texture you're completely interested in, there's pretty much something on the website that you will pretty much find and like they have colored hair, different textures of natural hair, body wave, everything. So definitely check them out. It'll be in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.